Looking for a unique and creative way to display your plants? Welcome to the world of Hypertufa Pots. These versatile, durable, and charmingly rustic containers can add a distinctive touch to any garden. Creating your own Hypertufa pot is not as complicated as you might think. Let's dive in. First, gather all the materials you'll need. This includes Portland cement, peat moss, and perlite. You'll also need water, a large mixing container, and a mold. Don't forget safety first. Gloves and a dust mask are a must. Now that you have all your materials ready, it's time to get your hands dirty. Start with the mixing process. This is where the magic happens. Begin by combining equal parts of cement, peat moss, and perlite. The trick is to achieve a consistency similar to that of cottage cheese. Now, here's a pro tip. Don't add all the water at once. Instead, pour it in gradually, bit by bit. This ensures a perfect blend without any lumps. Patience is key here, folks. Keep stirring, keep mixing, and above all, have fun with it. Make sure to mix thoroughly until you achieve a uniform consistency. With your mixture ready, it's time to mold your pot. Start by filling your chosen mold with the Hypertufa mixture. Remember, it's important to press the mixture down firmly to ensure it takes on the shape of the mold. Now, don't forget to leave a hole at the bottom of the pot. This allows for adequate drainage, which is crucial for the health of your plants. Once you're satisfied with the shape, let your creation cure for about 24 to 48 hours. After patiently waiting, it's time to unveil your masterpiece. With gentle hands, coax the pot from its mold. Now, patience is key again, as your Hypertufa pot needs 2 to 3 weeks of curing before it's ready. There you have it, your very own handmade Hypertufa pot. Hypertufa pots are not just containers. They're a testament to your creativity and love for gardening. Remember, the process is straightforward and the benefits plentiful. Get creative with shapes and sizes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more garden DIYs. Happy gardening!